Please, I want to use this opportunity to beg everybody, please, I need your help and I need your support. Since 4 months now, I'm being sick. Thyroid, the thing they disturb me since 4 months now till now. And I don't spend money for this thing. You get some test where they request that I will do. And then say if I do this test, then go know whether I go take drug, I go take medicine, or then go do me operation. You know, thyroid, there are different types. The one where they do me is inside, not outside. And that this is 4 months I've been spending money going to one hospital to other, traveling to one state to see doctor, and I've been trying. I've been spending a lot of money. I have spent a lot of money. I have spent a lot of money in this health challenge. Please, I want to beg everybody to help me. I need the support so that I can do all the things that I will do. Please, I really need support. I don't spend all my money. Please, I call everyone to help me. Please. The hospital where I did before, the doctor, no be doctor where they treat heart and the thyroid. But I don't do that. I don't receive treatment there. I don't, say what thing they happen to some doctors and some people. They know say this thing no be their work. They would like to treat that person. I don't know. But now later, people come direct me to doctor where they now later where people direct me the doctor where they treat heart and the thyroid. So now the doctor where I meet now, he requested I will do many labs. After I do the lab, they will know say whether they will do me operation or I will taking drugs. Since 4 months now till now, I need to go work. Only one place where they dey. The thing they disturb me. The thing they disturb me too much. So please, I really need your help and your support, please. I really need your support. I beg everybody, please, support me and help me. And I want you people to be putting me in your prayers. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Ezeaguba. Shalom.